Hey, to change wallpaper on a Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro, first of all, open Mi Fitness application on your phone, click on a device, and then go to Manage Band Displays. Right now we can find here a lot of different wallpapers that you can quickly apply. You can also go right here and go with some different topics. Like if you want to get some digits wallpapers, you can just click here, tap on this wallpaper that you want to apply and click apply. Now you will have to just wait a little bit for installing update, and after we reach 100%, then this wallpaper will automatically change. Take a look right here. As you can see now, wallpaper has changed. And when you are on your device, you can, grab this, click and hold with finger. If it is not working, then you will have to just go into settings. There we go. Go into band displays, and right here you can just pick the different one. So that's how it actually works.